all to Think Maths. We are in class 10 Maths, chapter 6, Triangles. In this session, we are going to discuss about the converse of basic proportionality theorem. So, what is it? If a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. Okay. Suppose this is the triangle ABC. This is what given. If a line, so let us take a line D. So if a line divides any two sides AB and AC in the same ratio, then we should prove then the line is parallel to the third side. So we should prove DE parallel to BC. So what is given? So AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. This is what given. So if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio. So AB is divided into AD and DB. So it is in the same ratio. Another line is AC. So AC is divided into AE and EC. So they are in the same ratio. So if it is so, what we have to prove? We have to prove the line is parallel to the third side. So this line DE is parallel to third side. So third side is BC. So we have to prove DE is parallel to BC. So we are going to construct a line. What is it? We are going to construct DE dash. Okay. So suppose DE dash is parallel to BC. Okay. So whether we don't know DE is parallel to BC or not, which is we have to prove. Suppose we are taking another line DE dash parallel to BC. So we know the basic proportionality theorem which we discussed in the previous video. So if you haven't seen, the link is in the description box. You can check it. So what is BPT? If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So this is the triangle ABC. So we have taken DE parallel to BC. Okay. So this line is parallel to BC and it intersects at two distinct points in AB and AC. So if this is true, we have proved AD by DB equal to AE by EC in the Thales theorem or BPT theorem. So we are going to use this in the converse part. So we assume that DE dash is parallel to BC. Then we have by BPT, that is by basic proportionality theorem, AD by DB will be equal to AE dash by E dash. So AE dash by E dash C. So this is 1. So what is given? The given is AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So this is what given. So when you compare 1 and 2, LHS is same. So if LHS is same, RHS will be automatically same. So we can write from 1 and 2, E dash by E dash C will be equal to AE by EC. Okay. So here if we check, we get AE dash plus E dash C plus E dash C will be equal to, so if you add this AE dash and E dash C, you will get AC. In the same way, if we add AE and EC, AE plus EC will be equal to AC. So, now if we make the numerator same, automatically denominator will be same. So, if E dash E is equal to EC, we get E is equal to E dash. So, we must get AE dash plus E dash E. That is, we must add the numerator with denominator. In the same way, on the other side, right hand side, we have to add the numerator with denominator to get AC. Okay. So, how do we do this? There is a trick. That is, we have to add 1 on both sides. So if we add, that is A E dash divided by E dash C plus 1 equal to A E by E C plus 1. Now if we take the denominator as, that is LCM as E dash C, then we get A E dash plus E dash C will be equal to, here the LCM is EC. Then we will get in the numerator AE plus EC. So AE dash plus E dash C is nothing but AC divided by E dash C equal to AE plus EC is nothing but AC divided by EC. So what happens? This AC and this AC gets cancelled. So we will get 1 by E dash C equal to 1 by EC. So what happens if we cross multiply? EC will be equal to E dash C. So what happens? EC equal to E dash C. So that is E dash C length and EC length are equal. Suppose if this length is 5 centimeter, then what will happen? This E dash should be at E. If both are of EC equal to E dash E means both their lengths are same. So if both their lengths are same, E dash and E should be at the same point. That is, they should coincide. So this means E and E dash coincide. So that is E will be equal to E dash. If this is so, what happens? We assumed DE dash is parallel to BC. So these 2 points are same. As it coincides, we can say DE parallel to BC. Hence we proved the theorem. Okay, understood? If you are able to understand this theorem, just share, like and subscribe. Okay, thank you.